Hi students, welcome to level 2 Awod. Today's word we're going to be analyzing author. Author. Let's get a red pen for syllables. Author has two syllables. Author. Author. The emphasis is placed on the first syllable. Author. Notice how the U it's silent. It's more like author. Once more, author. Pronounce it with me. Author. Author. Your turn to pronounce it. Awesome. What is it in Spanish? Autor. Correcto. In both definitions, we are using this word as a noun. The part of speech that we're using it is as a noun. Okay, we'll get to see why in a bit. Let's go over the familiar words. We have authored, as used as an adjective. Authorship, used as a noun. And author can also be used as a verb. We got synonyms, but we don't have any antonyms. For synonyms, the words that you can replace or have the same meaning, one of them is writer. An author is a writer. And also an author is an originator. Originator. Okay. Definition number 1 of author, used as a noun, is a person who writes books or the person who wrote a particular book. Why is this a noun? Remember that a noun names a person, place, thing, or idea. In this case, it's a person. We're talking about a person that wrote a book. Okay? A particular book. In this case, the synonym that we can use for this definition is the writer. The writer of a book is the author. Let's look at our example. When analyzing literature, it is important to identify the author's purpose. So you have a LOD, big time, language of the discipline here, definition, and when you're reading something, when you're reading a piece of literature and you're analyzing, it is important. You have to identify, you have to recognize and know what is the intention, why is the reason that the author is writing that piece of literature, that text. Okay? Is it either to persuade, inform, or entertain? Are they trying to convince? If they're trying to convince you to believe in something, then they're persuading you. If they're just trying to teach you something, to give you some information, it's inform. And if they're trying to astonish you or make you just enjoy your reading, it's to entertain, right? Those are the author's purpose. Second definition of author, also used as a noun, means the person who creates or starts something. Keyword. Okay, we have the person, that indicates as a noun, which or who creates or starts something, especially a plan or idea. We can say that this person is the originator of an idea or of a plan. In other words, we also call this the mastermind, the mind behind the plan. I've started, so I'll finish. If you create something, if you're the author of a task, of a goal, of an objective, you have to finish it, right? Let's look at our example. She is the author of a plan for reforming the school system. In this case, it might be the principal, might be Maestra Lidia. For example, she was the author of a plan to start a Escuela Popular, right? To change the system of education or the way that classes or school is being taught to Latinos here in the United States, or at least in our area. So the author is a person who planned or had an original idea, meaning she started something new. She originated something. Okay. Think about yourself. Okay. What projects, what plans, what objectives do you have for yourself, for your family, for your career, for your education, for your work, for your job? Right? You are the author of your life. You are the author of the plans that you have for yourself, for your family. You create them. You start those plans, those ideas to improve yourself, to better yourself. Okay, this has been your academic word for today. This is the last one for this week. And again, don't forget to write your own original sentence at the end of the flashcard and create your visual and copy the sentence on the back of your flashcard. When you're writing your sentence at the bottom, you're the author of that sentence, right? You're writing your original sentence. You're the creator of that. All right? So go out there, study hard, study well, study smart, and be the author of a great future for yourself. All right, class. Have a great time studying.